Happy morning, my dear children. Today we are going to discuss about that. What are the chemical reactions of nitric acid? That is about that as an oxidizing agent, as a nitrating agent, action of nitric acid on metals. Next one, page number 64. What are the preparation of nitrous oxide? Next, nitric oxide, dinitrogen trioxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen tetroxide, and also nitrogen pentoxide. In between, they are having one the metal reaction with the primary reaction, secondary reaction, and tertiary reactions. And about the example, that is one of the huge portion. Today we cannot complete this area full. Okay, so this area, that means page number 62, the last area, the primary secondary reactions, and about the page number 63, tertiary reaction, and also the examples and uses we can be discussed tomorrow class. Today what are the area we are going to discuss means try to understand. Today we are going to discuss means page number 62 as an oxidizing agent, as a nitrating agent, action of nitric acid on metals with, that is about the oxidation state of higher oxidation state of nitric acid to ammonia. Next, the page number 64, the preparations. Okay, these are the area we are going to discuss now. Okay, anyhow, in between the primary, secondary, tertiary, and examples and uses we are going to discuss tomorrow. Okay, so the first one is about as an oxidizing agent we can be discussed. Okay, please all of you take the note one by one, we can be discussed. Nitric acid is one of the very good oxidizing agent. The non-metals like carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, iodine is oxidized by nitric acid. The non-metals we are taking, carbon is oxidized to carbon dioxide, sulfur is oxidized to sulfuric acid, phosphorus is oxidized to phosphoric acid, iodine is oxidized to iodic acid, fluorine is oxidized to fluorine nitrate, hydrogen sulfide is oxidized to sulfur. These are some reactions. My dear children, here having, I think that 6 equation, at least you have to throw any equation, any 2 equation is enough. Okay, so try to learn this question. Nitric acid is one of an oxidizing agent. Okay, here I'm taking one of the carbon and oxidized with nitric acid. Nitric acid formula HNO3. We get NO2 plus CO2 plus water. Am I right? These are the products are obtained. So how can you balance the equation? First, here the reactant side 3 oxygen, but the product side 6 oxygen. So for balancing hydrogen, you have to balance hydrogen. The water you have to add, make it 2 here, water. So how much hydrogen is there? 4 hydrogen. So make it reactant side 4. So hydrogen balance. What about the nitrogen? Here from product side making 4 also, nitrogen is also balanced. What about the carbon? Carbon is also balanced. Am I right? What about the oxygen? Oxygen is 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Am I right? 12 oxygen in the reactant side. What about the product side? 4 into 2 is equal to 8 plus 2 plus 2. So this also 12. This equation is balanced. Next one is non-metal sulfur. Sulfur is oxidized by means of nitric acid, that is HNO3. We get sulfuric acid. What is the formula? H2SO4 plus nitric oxide, that is NO. Am I right? So how much hydrogen is there on the product side? 2 hydrogen. So make it the reactant side 2. So hydrogen balance. Sulfur is balanced. And nitrogen here having reactant side having 2. So the make it product side 2. What about the oxygen? 3 into 2 is equal to 6. What the reactant side? 6 having, so product side also make it, okay, 6. Equation is balanced. So third one is about that phosphorus. Phosphorus is the polyvalent element, am I right? Polyatomic element. So P4 plus nitric acid can be written as HNO3. We get phosphoric acid, orthophosphoric acid. What is the formula? H3PO4, phosphoric acid. What is the formula? H3PO4. And also we get nitrogen dioxide, that is NO2 plus water molecules. So how can you balance the equation? The reactant side 4 phosphorus is there, so make it the product side. Here we can do put it 4 phosphorus. So phosphorus is balanced. So what about the hydrogen? Hydrogen is balancing. If you are balancing hydrogen, here few water molecules make it 4 means total how much hydrogen is there? 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 12 plus 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So I think that approximately 20 hydrogen. So if you are making here 20 nitric acid means hydrogen is balanced. What about the nitrogen? How to find out nitrogen and oxygen, am I right? So nitrogen here having 20, the reactant side also we make it here also make it 20. So that also balanced, am I right? Next about the oxygen. 20 into 3 is equal to 60. So the reactant side 60 having oxygen, the product side 4 into 4 16 plus 20 into 2 40 plus 4 into 2 4. So we get 40 plus 40 40 plus 20 60, am I right? So the equation is balanced. Next one, iodine 2 iodic acid, iodine molecule 2 iodic acid. Here that nitric acid is one of the very good oxidizing agent. Here iodine means I2 and reacts with nitric acid HNO3. We get the product is HiO3 iodic acid, and also obtained NO plus water molecules H2O. Yes or no? Then how can you easiest way for balance the equation? Here having 2 iodine, here having only 1 iodine. So first you have to try to make this react product side, make it 6 here. Okay, make it 6 here. Make it 6 here means how much hydrogen is there? 6 hydrogen. Here and here also having hydrogen. So for easiest way, if you are making 2 means 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So we easily write here 10. So hydrogen is balanced. What about the nitrogen? Nitrogen here having reactants are having 10. So how to convert the products are also 10. So nitrogen is also balanced. What about the iodine? Iodine is here having 6. So if you are making 3 means that iodine also balanced. What about the oxygen? 10 into 3 is equal to 30. What about the product side? 6 into 3 is equal to 18 plus 10 plus 2. So what is the answer? 20 plus 10, 30. Okay, 90 balance. Am I right? So in this reaction shows that iodine is converted into iodic acid. Am I right? Next one of the new formula we are learning now. Nitric acid HNO3 on reacts with the fluorine. We get what are the first product is hydrogen combines with the fluorine to form hydrogen fluorine. Am I right? Hydrogen fluoride plus this NO3. Here I have one more fluorine combines to form NO3F. NO3F, or we can written as FNO3. Fluorine nitrate. What's the name of the compound? Fluorine nitrate. Okay, this is one of the unstable. Okay. This fluorine nitrate is one of the unstable compound and is one of the derivative of nitric acid. Fluorine nitrate is one of the derivative of nitric acid. Next non-metals we are taking hydrogen sulfide on reacts with nitric acid can be written as HNO3. We get here the sulfur is reduced, right? So we can write sulfur plus nitrogen combines with the oxygen, we get NO plus here having hydrogen, here having oxygen to form water molecules. So these are the products are obtained. There is a sulfur, nitrogen oxide, and also water molecules. So how can you balance the equation? If here having only 3 hydrogen, the products are having only 2 hydrogen. Here having only 1 nitrogen, products are having only 1 nitrogen. So if you are making easiest, we here have a single oxygen, so make it 2 means, if you are making 2 NO means, we can be arrange the reactants is also 2. So nitrogen is balanced. Am I right? Hydrogen, what about the hydrogen? Here having 2, here having 2, 4. If you are making here 2 now, is it 4? Here having 1 molecules of water means the water is not balanced because 1 oxygen is having. So here also you have to make it 4. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Already 2 over. Remaining 6. 6 can be written as 3H2S. Am I right? So now hydrogen balanced, nitrogen balanced. What about the sulfur? Here having 3 sulfur. So make it 3 sulfur. Sulfur is also balanced. And oxygen is also balanced. Am I right? This is the importance of an oxidizing agent. Nitric acid reacts with non-metals such as carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. Am I right? Next, just only this is not an important area. Try to take return right. It's okay. Next one. As a nitrating agent. What is about the nitrating agent? That means nitrating mixture. We can be say the nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture. What is about the nitrating mixture means? Concentrated sulfuric acid plus concentrated HNO3. This is called what? Nitrating mixture. We can be say simply write like that. Mixture of concentrated nitric acid plus concentrated sulfuric acid is called nitrating mixture. In an organic compounds, I am taking one of an organic compound, one of the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means we can be taken as a benzene. Organic compounds, benzene. And if you know the formula of benzene, what is the formula? C6H6. Am I right? The C6H6 can be written as, this is a benzene ring. Okay, C6H6. I am going to react nitric acid in the presence of nitric acid formula what? HNO3. The presence of sulfuric acid. This nitric acid can be written as HONO2. HONO2. Am I right? Nitric acid can be written as HONO2 in the presence of sulfuric acid. Here, any one of the ring, one of the hydrogen, I am taking this place, one of the hydrogen combines with the OH to form water molecules. So, the remaining NO2, one of the nucleophile, this is one of the nucleophile, NO2 minus ion, am I right? Sorry, NO2 plus ions. This will be attached to the benzene ring. It will be attached to the benzene ring. So, we get nitrobenzene, NO2. Okay, benzene with NO2. Nitrobenzene plus hydrogen combines the OH to form water molecules. Nitrobenzene. Okay, one of the very important question. What is the formula of nitrobenzene? C6H5NO2. Okay. Nitration takes place due to the formation of nitronium ion. Nitration takes place due to the formation of nitronium ion. What is about the nitronium ion? NO2 plus ion. NO2 plus ion. Am I right? So, nitration takes place. How we are taking the two acids, there are two mixtures. Which are the two nitrating mixture? Concentrated nitric acid and also the concentrated sulfuric acid. I am taking the two acid. One is about the concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated nitric acid can be written as HONO2. Can you write like that? What is the formula of nitric acid? HNO3. This can be written as HONO2. Plus, what is the formula of sulfuric acid? H2SO4. I am going to write HSO4 minus. Am I right? Okay. H plus HSO4 minus. Okay. This I am going. What happened here means one of the hydrogen from sulfuric acid and combines with this OH, that is nitric acid OH, to form water molecules. So which are the remaining product? NO2 plus HOH combines to form water plus HSO4 minus ion. This is called as what? Nitronium ion. Okay. Next about action of nitric acid on metal. Action of nitric acid on metals. Some of the noble metals, these are non-reactive metals, less reactive and non-reactive. Noble metals are non-reactive, not less reactive, non-reactive metals. Exception, some of the metals, gold, platinum, rhodium, iridium, tantalum. Okay, these are some of the metals. Here, nitric acids are oxidized the metal. These are the some non-reactive metal. I told some of the non-reactive metal, except this metal, some of the metals, nitric acid undergoes oxidizing. Which are the oxidizing means, such as I am taking on aluminium, iron, cobalt, nickel, chromium. These are rendered passive in concentrated acid due to the formation of a layer of their oxides on the metal surface. Here, what is the meaning here mean? Here, some of the metals, which are some of the metal, aluminium, iron, cobalt, nickel, and chromium. These metals are rendered passive. Rendered passive means covering. About this metal, surface of this metal, one of the covering, which covering means a light coated of a protective materials. Okay, some of the protective materials are forming. Okay, in concentrated acid, due to the formation of layer of their oxides on the metal surface, what is happening here means it prevents the nitric acid from reacting with pure metal. It is preventing the nitric acid from the reacting with pure metals. That steps we are saying passivation. Okay. And about some of the very weak electropositive metal like tin, arsenic, antimony, tungsten, molybdenum. Here, the nitric acid gives a metal oxides in a higher oxidation state. And as it is reduced to a lower oxidation state, that higher oxidation to lower oxidation state. For example, suppose the nitric acid. Can you say what is the oxidation state of nitric acid? I am going to find out the nitrogen. I am going to find the nitrogen. What is the formula of nitric acid? HNO3. I am going to find the nitrogen oxidation state. Am I right? So previous I told that alkali metals, what is the number here? +1. Am I right? All alkali metal having +1. So hydrogen I am taking +1 plus nitrogen. We are taking X plus oxygen. Already I told you that -2. One oxygen having -2. How much oxygen having? 3. So 3 into -2 equal to 0. Can you understand, my dear children? So this can be written as +1 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. So what is the X? X is equal to +6 minus 1. Am I right? So X is equal to +5 is the oxidation state. Can you write, my dear children? Okay, next about NO2, nitrogen dioxide. What is the oxidation state? As per the textbook, they are having +4 oxidation state. Can you find out the answer? Can you find out or say what is the answer? NO2. NO2 means, N means we can be taken as X. X plus, how much oxygen is there? 2 oxygen. 1 oxygen value how much? Minus 2. Minus 2 equal to 0. So X minus 4 equal to 0. X is equal to plus 4 oxidation state. Am I right? What is about the HNO2? What is oxidation state? Can you find out? HNO2 oxidation state. H means we are saying plus 1 plus X. Nitrogen is taken as X and oxygen having 2 into minus 2 equal to 0. Plus 1 plus X minus 4 equal to 0. X is equal to plus 3 oxidation state. Am I right? What about the NO? Can we say NO? N means taken as X. Oxygen means minus 2. Am I right? So N plus 1 into minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to plus 2. Am I right? Yes or no? What about the N2O? N2O. How will you find out the oxidation state? Here we can be taken as what? 2X. Am I right? N2O, 2X. Because we have to find out 2 nitrogen plus oxygen, 1 oxygen. All of you know that 1 into minus 2 equal to 0. Then how will you write? 2X minus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to 1. Am I right? We can be taken as plus 1. Am I right? Yes or no? Next one. Nitrogen. N2. What is oxidation state? That is X. Am I right? So we can be written as 0. Next about the ammonia. What is about the ammonia? NH3. Nitrogen is taken as X plus 3 hydrogen 3 into plus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3. Okay, minus 3 is the oxidation state. Like that you have to find out. Am I right? Next one. We can be discuss about that. Some of the reactions. I think that the page number 64, some of the reaction that I will explain this question on the next class. That is about the primary reactions, secondary reactions, tertiary reactions, and the examples and uses we can discuss in the next class. But this class we have to find out, can be prepared some of the compounds. That is about that. Already we discussed that one. Nitrogen oxide. Nitrogen oxide. What is the formula of nitrogen oxide? Sorry, nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide formula what? N2O. N2O is the formula of nitrous oxide. We know that one. The oxidation state is plus 1. Now only we find out that. Then physical properties. What are the physical properties? Colorless gas and neutral gas. I'm right. Sorry, neutral. And how can you prepare this gas? Means one of the, I think that is one of the laughing gas. I'm right. All of you know that one. Laughing gas. How can you prepare means ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate. What is the formula of ammonium nitrate? NH4NO3 undergoes decomposition we get. Which are the products is possible? N2O. Nitrogen combines with other one nitrogen, combines to another oxygen to form N2O. And they're having 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. So we get 2 molecules of water. So what are the possibilities here? N2O plus 2 molecules of water. This is the first reaction. Okay. Next one. Nitric oxide. Nitric oxide, the formula, all of you know that one? Yes, NO. About the plus 2 oxidation state, now only you find out. And the colorless, it is a neutral compound. So how can you prepare this compound means? By the reaction between sodium nitrate. What is the formula of sodium nitrate? NaNO2. NaNO2. Sodium nitrite plus ferrous sulfate. What is the formula? FeSO4. Ferrous sulfate. And also adding sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So what's the product is obtained here? NO. That is our expected product is NO plus ferric sulfate, Fe2SO4 thrice ferric sulfate, and also sodium combines with the sulfuric acid. The sulfuric acid can be written as HSO4. Am I right? So one of the sodium combines with the HSO4, we get sodium bisulfate, and hydrogen combines with the oxygen, we get water molecules. Okay, these are the four products is obtained. What are the four products? One is about that nitric oxide, second one is about that ferric sulfate, third one is about the sodium bisulfate, next is about the water. How can you balance the equation? The product said 2Fe they are having, so make it 2 ferrous sulfate. Am I right? Next, sodium. Sodium combines with the bisulfate to form sodium bisulfate. Then here also having, we can be change it here, make it 2 here. That is sodium, 2 sodium bisulfate. So the reactant side also make it 2 sodium is there. Okay. Next, total how much sulfate is there? Here having 3, here having 2. So total we have 5. So the 5 we can be written as already 2 over. Then we can be written as 3 here. That is 3 plus 2 is 5. That is also over. Next about the hydrogen. How much hydrogen is there? 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Already 2 over the sodium bisulfate. Then remaining 4. So 2 into 2 water molecules, and it is also balanced. What about the nitrogen? Here sodium nitrate having 2 moles. So if you are making 2 means that also balanced. Next about a nitrogen trioxide. Okay, you have to find out, you have to find the oxidation state. You have to everything, you have to find out. The physical properties is about it is a blue solid and it is an acidic. Okay, acidic. How can you prepare the reaction? Nitric oxide on reacts with dinitrogen tetroxide. Dinitrogen tetroxide can be written as N2O4. N2O4 we get N2O3. N2O3. How can you balance the equation? Here in the product side make it 2. So the reactant side we can be written as 2NO. That also reaction. That also balanced. Next about nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide, how it is prepared means, what is the formula? NO2. This is the formula. What is the oxidation state? +4. Already we learned that one. Physical properties is a brown gas and also it is an acidic. How it is prepared means by the decomposition of lead nitrate. What is the formula of lead nitrate? PbNO3 twice. PbNO3 twice. This undergoes decomposition. We get nitrogen dioxide. What is the formula? NO2. NO2. And lead combines with oxygen. We get PbO. And also oxygen gas is liberated. So how can you balance the equation? Here having only one oxygen. So make it 2 here. So 2 Pb. Am I right? 2 PbO. The reactant side also make it 2 Pb. So that is also be let is balanced. What about the nitrogen? Here having 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So make it 4 here. That also balanced. Next about nitrogen tetroxide. Nitrogen tetroxide. What's the formula here? N2O4. N2O4. The oxidation state is +4. How to find out that one? Colorless solid acidic. This is also easiest equation. Nitrogen dioxide is converted into nitrogen tetroxide. That is NO2 gives N2O4. So how to balance 2N is there. So make it 2. Also balance. Next about the nitrogen pentoxide. N2O5. N2O5. What is the oxidation state? +5. How to already we have to calculate that one. Colorless solid acidic. How it is prepared means nitric acid and reacts with the phosphorus pentoxide. What is the formula of phosphorus pentoxide? P2O5. P2O5. We get N2O5 plus HPO3. HPO3. N2O5. Nitrogen pentoxide. Am I right? Nitrogen pentoxide. So how can you balance the equation? Here having 2 phosphorus. So make it 2 phosphorus. So that is also balanced. Next about here N2 having 2 nitrogen, the product side, so make it 2 here. Now the equation is balanced. Okay. Anyhow, today assignment. How is N2O nitrous oxide prepared? And how is N2O3 nitrogen trioxide prepared? The 2 questions. Okay. And one more question. How is N2O4 prepared. 3 questions. First question, N2O. Second question, N2O3. Third question, N2O4. That's a page number 64. Please learn and write, okay? Thank you all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.